Ever since Xi Jinping came to power, there has been a much stronger narrative in China of China being a great power, at least number two, and according to some people, perhaps the global number one. What's happened, I think, over the last 12 months is partly because of the trade war, but also because of some pushback against the Belt and Road, that there has been some rethinking of this within China. People are wondering whether there's been a little bit of overstretch, whether there's been a little bit of overconfidence, and maybe it's time for a little bit more prudence in the way China projects itself to its neighbours and also to other great powers. When it comes to the Belt and Road, I think the main issue isn't really the United States. It's the way that other countries are responding to what China is doing, particularly countries on China's periphery, but also a bit further afield as well. There are concerns about getting into too much debt, what this might mean in terms of becoming dependent on China. There are concerns in some areas about China's long-term objectives. So while what the United States is doing with China in the trade war raises big problems for the bilateral relationship and also for the region as a whole, specifically when it comes to the Belt and Road, I think it's the bilateral relations between China and its neighbours that are most important. It's really strange to have a meeting like Trump and Kim have had in Hanoi and it not to end in a glorious victory for both sides. Normally these things are sorted out in advance so both sides can go home and claim victory. I really don't know where we go from here. It'd be very interesting to see if Kim stops off in Beijing on his way home, because that will tell us something about where the real axis of power might be.